Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Victoria.
And this is Project Capiz.
Project Capiz is about integrating Capiz waste from local manufacturers into our concrete designs to create a new finish and use it for future products. Currently, we can only apply to small items, but our goal is to be able to apply to larger products such as furniture and to do bigger projects such as corporate gifts, event giveaways, or even supplying to other businesses.
The Capiz shell is a staple of Philippine culture and has been widely used to make windows, lanterns, jewelry, and more. Shell farming is a source of livelihood in several parts of the Philippines, and more than 500 tons of Capiz shells are harvested every other year. When raw shells are harvested, they go through a cleaning process and are cut into various shapes and sizes during production. The excess pieces go to waste or end up in landfills together with shells that do not pass quality assessment. These excess pieces can still be utilized, especially since Capiz populations are dwindling because of unsustainable harvesting practices.
We chose to work with Capiz because of our passion for natural materials is relevant to our country's identity. Moreover, there is a need to raise awareness on ways we can all be more responsible on how we consume and produce products. That the circular economy is not only about consuming less, but consuming better. We want to show Filipinos alternative ways of sustainable design.
Krete Manila is a small business that creates handcrafted decor using concrete as a main material. Items like trays, vessels, sculptures, furniture, and so on. We also collaborate with fellow creatives, artists, and makers to promote local craftsmanship and business ideas.
However, we have limited financial resources, so we would like to turn to you for support. You who loves Filipino design and believes in sustainability. You who knows that every little action is a step to making impactful changes. Help us raise an initial fund of 70,000 pesos, which can help us kickstart our first Capiz collection. In return, Krete Manila will reward your pledges with the following packages. We hope you support and join us in our campaign. Together, we can contribute to systemic change in the way we Filipinos produce and consume.